Forenom Apartments Oslo. Use your code to get through the 2 doors and then take the elevator up. Use the same code to go into your room. It doesn't work for luggage storage though. Enter your room and we're now looking at the bathroom. There's a hairdryer, towels, a big mirror, a sink, and a big shower. There are not enough towels, and if you want more towels you have to pay for it. There are also no toiletries. The sink here was actually blocked, so we couldn't use it, so we just used the kitchen sink. In the apartment we have some hooks, a mirror, a bin, a microwave, some utensils but not enough, induction stove, a sink, table, fridge, dishwasher, TV, 2 beds. There is always a gap between the bed and your things will fall down. If you move it apart, it is full of hair and it's disgusting underneath the bed. On the side we have a wardrobe. The only sockets in this apartment are by the kitchen. Near the door we have a few functions. So we've got the light switches, heating, airflow, and the window blinds. The area the apartment is in is not very safe, so it's best to have these window blinds down. The walls are paper thin and you can hear everyone's conversations and lots of noises. When your neighbors close their blinds, it feels like it's vibrating. In these apartments, there are 2 washers and dryers in the laundry room. There's also a broom and a hoover that you can use. We had to enter this room using our normal code and take it to clean our own room. There is free Wi-Fi in the rooms. The TV is also a smart TV, so it's quite good. I would not stay here again. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bye.